Hello everyone. Let's match object to its sound. Today letter we have is letter I. Letter I makes the I sound. And we're going to find all the things that begins with the I sound. The next letter is J and it makes the J sound. And we're going to find all the things that begins with a J sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter I. Letter I makes the I sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a I or the I sound. Iron. Ice cream. Ink. Igloo. Iguana. Ice lolly. Ice skating. Injection. Island. Ice. Insects. Well done everyone, fantastic job, well done, great work. We found all the things that begins with the I and the I sound. Great work, well done. Letter J. Letter J makes the J sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a J sound. Jam. Jellyfish. Jump. Jumper. Jacket. Jigsaw. Jelly. Jet. Jug. Juice. Juggling. Well done everyone, fantastic job. We found all the things that begins with a J sound. Fantastic job, great work everyone, well done. Hello parents, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many resources that you can download and help your child with their early reading, writing and math skills. I will leave a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.